day to all YouTubers around the world, to all supporters, to all friends and visitors. Today I made my cooking lab on the Winston gel, cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, today I'll be doing some chicken, yes, some special fried chicken for some friends at the doctor's office, the doctor and the staff. I'll be doing this fried chicken for them, so I'm going to do something very special. So I'm going to do the chicken, and I'm going to do some special seasoned rice as well. Yes, so all this chicken I'm going to be doing. Yes, chicken breasts and chicken quarters. I will be doing this, and I will be taking it when I go to the doctor tomorrow. Yes, for him and his staff. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. And in addition to that, part of the creation here, I'll be doing some special seasoned rice and also some provisions will be going along with that. In case you don't know what is provisions, provisions are food items like bananas, like plantains, like yams, like potatoes. Yes, so it'll be a combination of different things I will be putting together to take to the doctors. You're watching this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So now, I am going to puree this chayote and garlic and scallion, green scallion honey, and onions into a puree sauce to use, yes, to season up the chicken. And then I will dip them in flour, bathe them in flour, and then fry them. Yes, you're in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to pour some olive oil, yes, to make the puree a lot easier to come out. Alright, so that's olive oil in there. Now I'm going to put the chayote, otherwise known in Jamaica as Cho-Chow. Yes. Very nutritious vegetable. Alright, I'm going to add garlic, pegs of garlic, and I'm going to add a bunch of onions. There's one whole onion is cut up. And also some scallion onions in it as well. I'm going to add a couple of bell peppers and a couple pieces of bell pepper. And I'm going to add pepper. Yes, look at it, some zang. That's one whole pepper, hot pepper. It's hot. And I'm going to add some salt. Alright. And I'm going to add some curry. You're watching the Winston Gel, the Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Alright, my friends, all these chickens are already been pre-washed, yes, pre-washed with vinegar, and drained, yes, and drained. And so now I'm just going to cut them up to the portions, the size that I need, and then I'm going to season them down and get them ready for the fine vessel. Alright, so you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So this is chicken breast, and this is chicken quarters. wash and drained. Yes, so now I'm just going to cut these up just in two. That's it. You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I'm going to cut this breast in four. Watching the Winston Gel, the Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright my friends, I'm going to begin to season. Alright, so the first thing I put in here is some salt, alright? Some sea salt that is, alright? That's sea salt. I want to show you the label. Sea salt. And now I'm going to add some black pepper. Yes, I'm going to add some black pepper. Throughout the whole thing. Yes, I'm going to fry these chicken. Yes. Since I haven't done any KFC style, I'm going to try KFC style. I've been primarily just doing bacon and brown stew and garlic chicken and creamy chicken. So I'm going to try the KFC style. Alright, that's a lot of black pepper. Okay, my friends, this special puree sauce was made today. I made it with onions, with onion scallion. I made it with garlic cloves, and I made it with chayote and sea salt and curry. That's what I made it from, and olive oil. So I'm going to use part of this to marinate the chicken. Yes, to rub it in the chicken, not using all of it, just using some of it to marinate the chicken. Yes, you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. And when I marinate it into the chicken, afterwards, I'm going to put some flour in this vessel here, this container, and then I'm going to dip them into the flour, and then it goes straight into the oil on the stove and fry them. So to make sure. Alright my friends, so yes. So this is what the marinated chicken looks like. Yes, it is marinated with all that blended season. Yes, and I forget to tell you one, there's a hot spicy pepper that was done in the sauce as well. So there's hot pepper, there's chayote or Cho-Chow, there's onion scallion, yes, there's curry, and there's sea salt, and there's olive oil. So 8 things that goes into this sauce here to use to marinate the chicken. So now I'm going to get the flour ready, season the flour also. I'm going to add some chicken seasoning into the flour, some black pepper, and some powder seasoning, and then dip the chicken into the seasoning. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so I'm going to leave the chicken to marinate for a while I get the flour ready for the chicken. So you're watching this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. The only thing I'm going to add in this flour for the chicken, to dip the chicken in, is some sea salt. And also I'm going to put some chicken spice. Yes. Some chicken spice in it. Some chicken spice and a little bit more black pepper. You can already have a lot inside the chicken. So that's all I'm going to use. You're watching this on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube platform. Flame off. You can import the olive oil. Yes. Alright, so I'm getting ready to batter the chicken. Some flour. Flour. Taking this to my doctor, and it's as a gift. Yeah, they told me they wanted to taste my food because the fact that I do cooking on YouTube, so they wanted to taste. So yes, this is for them. And you see that on Winston cooking on YouTube. Cooking and fried chicken. This is from my friends at the doctor's office. Yes. I guess it's the first time we were at the doctor's office. The doctor knows that I do cooking, so he wants to taste my cooking. So chicken was the dish that was decided for the doctor and his staff. Alright. water. Put them in the oven and make sure they're thoroughly, yes my friends, thoroughly cooked. Yes, you don't play with chicken. Yes, you do not play with chicken. Chicken has to be properly cooked to avoid salmonella poisoning. Yes. You're seeing this all on the Winston Joe cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Watching the Winston Show, cooking on Discovery TV on the YouTube for mild bird in Indonesia, and this five part is from Miss Ellie Croy. Yes, Miss Ellie Croy, special effects lady. Alright, I got more chicken to go into this. You're watching the Winston Joe on cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, these are the last batch of chicken. Last batch of chicken. You're watching the Winston Joe cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Last batch of chicken. Last batch of fried chicken. You're watching this on the Winston Joe. Yes, I'm doing some nice chicken for the doctor and his crew down at the medical office. I want to taste my food. I'm tasting it. I already started. I want to taste it now. seasoned rice with green peas, sweet peas, and sweet corn, and bell peppers and other assorted seasoning is to make it very impactful. Okay, my friends, now I'm going to make a special sauce for the chicken. Yes, special gravy sauce for the chicken. Winston Joe cooking. Add some bell peppers. Add some bell peppers because now I'm about to make the gravy sauce, okay? So now I'm adding in bell peppers. You're watching this on the Winston Joe cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Special sauce, yes, and I cook the chicken down, some of the chicken down in it so I can get the flavor of the chicken into the taste, yes, and now I'm going to put this in the oven to make sure everything is thoroughly cooked, yes, so I'm going to deliver that tomorrow to the doctor's office, that everything will be cooked aesthetically fine. You're watching the Winston Joe cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Special sauce, Puree sauce from Chayote, otherwise known as Cho-Chow, hot pepper, scallion, onion, garlic, yes, all that stuff is going in here. Alright, don't need no more than that. Save some for the rice and some for later. So you're watching the Winston Joe cooking and I'm going to stir this up. For my special gravy sauce, right? But now I'm going to add the chicken. So this is what I'm using to make the special gravy sauce. This chicken. Yeah, I'm going to add one more piece in there. Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Alright, this is a special flour mixture. That's from the residue from the batter of the flour, along with the puree, with the garlic and onion and chayote, curry, salt, garlic and scallion, all that stuff. Yes. Alright. You'll see this on the Winston Joe cooking and Discovery TV in my cooking lab. So that is my gravy sauce. This mixture, the last mixture, because I'm going to add carrots in here. This is the chicken broth, special chicken broth. I won't show you the brand or the label. Yes. Just to avoid not getting my video promoted on YouTube because of free advertising for the manufacturer. So I won't be showing the labels of the items that I'm cooking with anymore. I'll just tell you what it is. So this is chicken broth that I just put in here. So this is my special gravy sauce. So it's a lot of liquid I just put in here. So I'm going to allow this to cook. finishing line here. Crossing the finishing line now. This is the finishing line. And I'm crossing this. Carrot sticks. Carrots. Carrots donuts. Carrot donuts. Carrot cross. This dish is in honor of my friend, Miss Sinam Son in Vietnam. Yes, the incredible, awesome lady. Yes, she's an awesome chef, very creative in the kitchen. So this is for Miss Sinam Son and Mingo Yang in Vietnam. Alright, just a little bit of fish garlic. Alright, so this dish is done. Yes, this is done. Move on to the next one. You're watching the Winston Gel cooking and the Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So this is my fried chicken with special brown stewed gravy. My fried chicken with special brown stewed gravy. Yes, I'm adding some seasoned rice now. And also some plantains to go with it. This pot here is for the seasoned rice, okay? Use some Puree to this side. That is a chicken butt and chicken butt. Alright, my friends, so this dish is done. Yes. The brown stew gravy for the fried chicken, alright? You're watching the Winston Gel cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Check out my fried chicken here. Yes, my special fried chicken. And brown stew gravy. Sauce and my special yellow rice, and you're seeing this on the Winston Gel cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.